Hey there, today I'll be showing you how you can send files from your MacBook to any Apple device using AirDrop. It's really simple, so let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to open up two windows of Finder. So just open up Finder and move the first window off to the side here, and then you want to right click on the Finder icon to open up this menu right here. Then you want to click on New Finder window, and we'll move this off to the side. Now on either window, you want to go to the sidebar and click on AirDrop. Then make sure that the device you want to send it to is on. Also, make sure that the device you want to send it to has Bluetooth on, otherwise AirDrop won't work. Now I did have to wait for a minute or two for my device to pop up, but once it has, I'm just going to go to the other Finder window and find the file that I want to send. Then I'm going to hold down and drag that file and hover over the device I want to send it to and let go. Now it will show up waiting, and then as long as you accept it on the other device, it should send. And just like that, we've sent the file. It took maybe a couple seconds to send. It's super easy, super simple. If you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like and hit that follow button to see more videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next one.